Hello everyone, so in this video we will learn how can you create and add subscriber to Flowdesk segment for MemberPress sign up. In this video we will learn to integrate MemberPress and Flowdesk in such a way that as soon as a sign up of member is completed, then a subscriber will be added to Flowdesk and that existing subscriber will be added to a specific segment in Flowdesk. And this process can be automated with the help of Pabbly Connect, where our trigger will be the member sign up in MemberPress. Then our first action will be to create a subscriber in Flowdesk, and final step will be to add that subscriber to a specific segment in Flowdesk. So let us learn how can we do that. So let us learn that in this video, how are we going to add all the MemberPress sign up documents, like anybody, any customer who is completing the sign up in any of these memberships given over here, then that person or that contact will be added to Flowdesk in a specific segment. Like we have multiple segments over here. So any one specific segment, that customer will be added. Let us begin and sign in our account, so that we will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now, which will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, you will be able to see a big blue button on your right side where it is written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Create and Add Subscribers to Flowdesk segment for MemberPress sign up. Click on Create, and then a blank workflow will be created for you, like you can see on your screen. You will be able to see Trigger in action, the two major modules of Pabbly Connect on which the complete automation works over here. Now before you start, make sure to open the applications which are supposed to be integrated for this workflow. Like I have opened my MemberPress and also my Flowdesk over here, so that you can connect both these applications to Pabbly Connect easily and also to make the required changes for this automation. Now let us learn what is trigger in action. Trigger says when this happens and action says do this, which means that trigger is the first application where the event will take place for the very first time. Like we have to do a MemberPress sign up. So our first application is going to be MemberPress, and here a sign up will be done by a customer for any of the memberships given over here. And after that, when that trigger event, which is member sign up completed, will take place, then the action application, which is going to be Flowdesk, there a subscriber will be created and then that will be further added in the segment. Alright, so let us begin. Our trigger application, we have already chosen the application and event over here. The event is member sign up completed. For that purpose, Pabbly Connect provides us with this webhook URL. Now this webhook URL is responsible for bringing the new sign up details over here as a response. As you can see, it is written capture webhook response because the data which is used over here to complete a sign up of a member will be further used to create a subscriber in Flowdesk. So we need to bring that sign up data over here in the workflow. So this webhook URL, what it will do is that we are going to copy it from here and paste in MemberPress in such a way that whatever sign up is done for any specific membership title over here, then all that data will be brought over here, and then we will get the response where all the data of the sign up will be there. Alright, these are the instructions given over here in order to learn how to complete this integration. So now let us follow these. First of all, copy this webhook URL from here and go to your MemberPress. Now for this MemberPress account, you have to have this developer tool add-on. So first of all, in your MemberPress, go to add-ons, and here in the search add-on, type over here developer. See, this developer tools which is active right now for me, you have to activate this tool. After that only you will be able to do the integration with Pabbly Connect. Now you will find the developer tool already in the list of MemberPress. Open it from the left panel and here click on webhook. Since we are dealing with webhook URLs, you are going to create a new webhook over here. Click on the plus button and paste the copied URL. Click on the advanced button over here, and here you have to choose the specific event when you want this webhook URL to work. Not all events. I only want when a member sign up is completed, only then this webhook URL should be updated. Alright, once all of this is done, I will click on save webhook and my integration is complete. You see, it is added over here. Okay, now since it is waiting for a webhook response, we should now go and do a sample submission. So let us go. And here, like I was showing the memberships in the very beginning, I will choose one specific membership. So here are all the membership. Let's say I want the lifetime membership because it's free and it is for lifetime. So I'm going to copy this URL from here, open it in a new tab, and then I will have the membership form over here. So I will fill up the details, make some changes if I want to. These are the details, and I will fill in the password and click on sign up. And here my subscription is done. Let us go back to the workflow and wait for the response. And we have received the response over here. See, the type is member, the member is added. This is the username of our user who has subscribed to the lifetime membership. And then you scroll down, you will find the name, the last name is here. Soon enough, you will find the first name, email address, the complete name as well. And we also have the name of the membership, which is the lifetime membership. All right. So we have received the sufficient data, and now we are going to use this data to create a subscriber in Flowdesk and then further add it to a segment. But like I mentioned that we have 3 memberships over here. What if a person with golden membership applies and that data is also added to Flowdesk? But I only want the lifetime membership people to be added to the subscriber because they have taken my lifetime membership. So in order to filter these memberships, I will add one feature by Pabbly Connect, which is called filter itself. Click on the plus button and add a new module between the trigger and action application. And here I will choose filter. Now, filter by Pabbly is a feature which allows only if this situation that we are going to set by our requirement will give the result as success. Now here, the type I said will be title, which is the name of the membership. So the name of the membership is lifetime membership, and I am going to type over here lifetime membership only. Okay, so whenever a response is received by this trigger application and the title of my membership comes out to be lifetime membership. Okay, so what it will do is it will actually allow this person or this data of the subscription to be added to Flowdesk. Okay, so it has to be lifetime membership only. If there was a golden membership, the trigger response will be received, but the filter will not allow the data to move ahead. Okay, so this should be equal to lifetime membership. Click on save and send test request and you will see that it will be a success. See, the condition is true because our membership name is lifetime membership. Then only we will move on to the next step, which is creating a subscriber. Alright, so open the action module, connect Flowdesk with Pabbly Connect so that the data which is right now in Pabbly Connect workflow can be added to Flowdesk and a subscriber will be created. Add new connection, connect with Flowdesk, and here you have to enter your credentials. Once you're done with the credentials, drag the screen a little bit and click on sign in. And then allow access to Pabbly Connect by clicking on allow. The connection is a success now. And now let us enter the fields and field values over here so that you can safely create a new subscriber. Now, from which field you want to create? Now, you don't have a subscriber ID, but we do have an email. So I'm going to use email over here, and that identity will be taken from the field value. Now, how are you going to put that value from which the customer has just now subscribed to the lifetime membership? We have this drop down menu over here, which we call as mapping. Now, mapping is basically creating a pathway between both these applications or modules in such a way that whenever a new member signs in, and this is, let's say, my email address in my response. So this email address for every new response will straight away be exchanged with this existing one over here. All right. Similarly, we are going to map it. So you can just type in the search and map data, whatever is your value, and it will straight away take you. First name is here. What is the last name? So again, in search and map data is here. Okay. First and last name is done. We don't have a mobile number. We do have a company, but I'm going to leave it empty because it's a not so required field over here. All right. Click on save and send test request. And here, now we have received an ID. As I say that IDs are proof of a product, contact, or subscriber which is newly created. The status of this new created subscriber is active. These are the other responses from our action application. So let us close this module because we have created a subscriber. Let us go to our Flowdesk. This is my audience. And here, see, this is the newly created subscriber. But now I want to add it to which segment? This membership segment, MemberPress segment over here. Okay, so what I will do is click on this plus button and I will add one last step from Pabbly Connect workflow so that I can specifically add all the newly created subscribers from the lifetime membership to my segments. So again, I will choose my application as Flowdesk, and the action event will be add existing subscriber to segment. Now, the simple explanation over here is that we cannot add a subscriber directly to segment. Okay, first you have to create a subscriber and then only you can add it because they need an existing subscriber to be added to the segment. Now click on connect. And now because you're using Flowdesk for the second time in the same workflow, select the existing connection and click on save. Now the connection is done. What is the subscriber's email? So you can simply take it from this also. Okay, because obviously the subscriber is created and after that only you will be able to add it to your segment. And which segment? So you can just select from the list of segments you've already given. MemberPress is the one. You have already so many segments created over here. So we are just going to choose one and click on save and send test request. And see. Again, we have received the ID of the same subscriber and then it says done. The status is active and it is added to the segment's name. This is the segment's ID and this is the name of the segment. So now close this module. Our workflow is complete. Go back to our MemberPress segment, open it. And see, here we have just one over here, which is the one we have just now added. Last activity is the date today. So, which means that with the help of this workflow, we have made sure that every time a member signs up, completes the sign up for any membership, the response will be received by this workflow. But we also put a condition over here that only the lifetime membership subscribers will be allowed to be added to Flowdesk as subscriber. And once we have created a subscriber, it can be added to the segment as well. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.